going on, BNB fam?
What's going on, BNB fam, man? So yeah, I've been on TikTok for a while, man. And your boy, I'm kinda getting a little chunky, bro. Y'all see my face, bro? I believe my face is getting fat. I have bumps all on my face and stuff like that. To me, my face is getting fat. It's crazy. Like, my face is getting fat. My belly getting a little gut, bro. I don't like it at all. I don't like it, bro. So I've been on TikTok and I saw this little healthy meal, bro. It's nature cereal, bro. I'm like, man, maybe that stuff good, bro. I've been seeing a whole bunch of people trying it. I've been on YouTube trying it and stuff like that. So I said, maybe I should try it. Because regular cereal, bro, I don't like the milk. And I eat the cereal, but I eat it dry, bro. It's crazy, right? I don't eat dry cereal. But I do. You know what I'm saying? I don't like milk. That's crazy, right? Because I just don't like plain milk. So, fruit, coconut water, and ice. 3 items, bro. It's expensive to eat healthy, bro. That's why nobody eat healthy for real, because it's expensive, bro. For to head over to Walmart and buy items and stuff like that. And I'll be back, man, with my healthy meal. Let's get it. Y'all know where I'm at. Walmart. Yeah, I don't think I hit it, but I'm over here looking at me some bowls, bro. I think I want to get me a nice looking bowl. My folks gonna try with me too, so they're gonna have to find their own bowl. So I might, it's 50 cents, so I might get me a nice looking bowl just for the video, bro. I kinda like this color, so I think I'm gonna get this color. But let's get it. I went on and got the whole matching sets, bro. So I can see I got the forks, the knife, the spoon, the whole matching set. It's gonna look legit, man. So yeah, man, I made it to the house, man. I realized my sister had some fruits, but they were like frozen fruits. I don't want no frozen fruits, bro. Let me show you. My sister had these right here, bro. I don't like these. But I did decide to get these mango chunks, man. So I don't want these. I bought my own fruit, so we'll be doing this right here.
Get what you want then. You get your spoon. Get what you like.
Yes.
Put it in there, bro.
We did it. We landed at the station.
Want strawberry?
Dude, this is so simple. Look at me hopping out of my little station. Alright, we're in Venus. What do I do?
My bowl's already set, bro.
Fly around and set
Yeah, my bowl.
This would take forever.
You want pineapple? You got pineapple?
And
Coconut water, bro. You ready, bro?
That's enough blueberry.
Man, got all these blueberries, but probably not even gonna like it. Who? So you pull your bro.
Okay,
That's it. Look.
Cornflake. We got no time up there.
We did cereal. Eat y'all?
I
Yeah, eat y'all first, bro. Eat yours first, bro. Let me see. See, tell me.
You gotta tell me how it tastes. Get some fruit.
Get some fruit or something, bro. Let me know. Yeah, you got eye, yeah. He good? Like yours?
I'm not bad.
My turn, bro. My turn, bro. Let's see.
So it's like regular coconut.
Good, wait.
It's good though.
Yeah.
I would leave the ice out. It's too cold.
Yeah. It's too cold.
Yeah. Too cold. It's good. Yeah, these boys gonna eat a five.
I'm over here crunching.
Try to tie.
Oh yeah. Bro, I make it too cold, bro. So I think you should leave the ice out.
I should have thought about this. She told me while I came with this. Gotta have toothache. Good. Overall, good.
Good. Good for you?
Yeah.
You ain't eat though.
Never got them pulling it.
What?
Pulling it.
You pulling there? I already chopped them up for you, bro. Overall, bro, like it's cold though. Like I'll leave the ice out, like my sister said. Leave the ice out.
Strawberry cold.
It's cold. You been the whole thing's in there, bro. It's just the ice part. It's just the ice part. Overall, good. What's that? You don't like the ice? You don't like the ice? Maybe we should let the ice
It's
out.
so heavy. It's so heavy. It's so heavy.
For him.
Uh-oh.
Definitely leave the ice out. Overall, it's good though.
Well, I ain't got bad, baby. They didn't like it.
Yeah.
Overall, good. Now that item.
Blue baby is my favorite color.
You are your favorite. What?
Blue baby is my favorite color.
Yep. Go ahead and try, okay? It ain't no original syrup, man. This something healthy, bro. That's ice, bro. Eat the fruit with it. They don't like that. This ain't no original cereal, bro.
Yes, I don't like it.
Healthy. It's healthy, bro.
It's healthy, bro.
Strawberry.
What you say, bro? Healthy meal, right? Healthy.
Healthy.
Ice. No. Tell the what? Let me see. Just
Drink.
try, see.
Need milk.
It taste like milk to you? Come on, you think I'm prank her, yeah. I'm not, bro. It's cereal, bro. Just try it, bro.
No.
Tell me what you think.
Pranking me.
Got a powder.
Are you pranking me?
No, bro, I'm not pranking you, bro. Just pour the coconut in there and just see how it tastes to you, bro. We did it this morning, bro. She's late, y'all.
Pranking me.
It's coconut, bro. We did have ice, bro. Like, you came too late, the ice melt, so you ain't got no ice in there. So, I don't know. Just see. Just see what you think about it, bro. See that ice in there look better with ice, and you don't look.
I think you pranking me though, like.
It don't look. It look
I just
different
feel like you're
without the
pranking
ice.
Or something. I don't know why.
I'm not pranking her, bro. Just cereal, bro. you think about it? Healthy. It's a healthy, instead of eating the original, it's healthy cereal, bro. What you think about it? She like it, yo.
Okay. Good.
I told you, bro. It's no prank, bro. It's cereal, bro. I just want to see what you think of it. You like it, bro? It's a healthy cereal, bro. Instead of you going to get you a box of cereal and milk, get you a carton of coconut water and fruits and just go to work, bro. You know what I'm saying? Healthy meal, bro. Come on, you swallow, pranking. Good? What you gonna give it? Thumbs up? Hey, Jay gave it a thumbs up. What you gonna give? Thumbs up. And we ate it with the ice. It was cold with the ice, bro. So it probably be better like that without the ice. But Kamai give it a thumbs up. And she should go to work on it, bro. She ain't even said nothing. No prank this time, bro. It is coming, though.